Today we will talk about a beautiful apple tree. This is the apple tree you can see. Lots of apple trees are there. Apple tree is a beautiful and useful plant that grows in many parts of the world. This is the closer look. In spring, apple trees are covered with small pink and white flowers. These flowers attract bees, which helps pollinate the tree and make apples grow. Here you can see that. This is the spring apple tree. You can see crown and flower. Here is the flower. Characteristics are there. Apples and overlay. As the season change, flowers turn into tiny green apples. Little bit different look. Here you can see that tiny green apples. Over time, these green tiny apples, they grow bigger. You can see that. The peduncle on the top. This is the bigger, a little bit bigger than the tiny earlier one. These are sweeter and change color to red, green, or yellow. Apple trees need sunlight, water, and healthy soil to grow strong. This is the shape in the snowy season. You can see roots. This is the life cycle of the apple. With proper care, an apple tree can live for many years and produce fruit every season. You can see flower to apple fruit, then seeds, then young tree, and then tree with fruits. Apples are not only delicious but also very healthy. They are rich in fiber, vitamins, and help keep our bodies strong. Apple trees also help the environment. They provide oxygen, shade, and a home for birds and insects. This is the bud. From a small seed to a fruit-filled tree. Apple tree teaches us about patience, growth, and nature beauty. This is apple tree full of fruits.